Guys, are you able to listen me?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let me share my desktop screen with you first. I have already placed that on MS Team as well. Yes, guys, are you able to see that flexure analysis and design of beam, T-beam example?
Yes, sir.
So in this example, actually, we will see how to analyze the T-beam and then we will solve the example for the design. So I have placed that on MS Team, but I would like to play here as well. So I'm going to play that video now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And we will solve the example and we will try to find out the moment capacity or flexural capacity of T-beam. The statement of the problem is a T-beam has the following data. B is 800 millimeter, BW is 300 millimeter, HF is 125 millimeter, FC dash is 20 megapascal, FY is 420 megapascal, and D is 420 millimeter. Determine the flexural strength for the following two cases if the slab is in compression. Area of steel is 3900 millimeter square, and second case is area of steel is equals to 3000 millimeter square. So first of all, for case number 1, we will start the problem assuming that neutral axis is within the flange. So we will calculate the A. A is equals to AS Fy divided by 0.85 FC dash B. We need to plug the value for the case number first. AS is 3900, Fy is 420, 0.85 FC dash is given, which is 20, and B is given, which is 800. So we will get 120.5 millimeter. So if we want to calculate C, C is equals to A divided by beta 1, and we will get 141.5 millimeter. So this value of C is actually greater than HF, meaning to that our neutral axis is lying outside the flange. It is not inside the flange, it is outside the flange. So we will calculate ASF and then we will calculate ASW. So ASW we got 1965 millimeter square. We will calculate A, which is ASW divided by ASW into Fy divided by 0.85 FC dash into BW. If we plug these values, we will get 138.7 millimeter. Now we need to calculate AL, which is beta 1 3 by 8D, and we will get 143.4 millimeter. If A is less than or equals to AL, the limiting tensile strain is produced in the steel, and we can use phi B equals to 0.9. So now flexural capacity is actually equals to phi B Mn, and tensile, we are calculating that flexural capacity with respect to tensile. As I told you earlier in the lecture, we can calculate from compression side or we can calculate from tension side. So in this case, we are calculating from tension side. So it is phi B ASW Fy into D minus A by 2 plus phi B ASF Fy into D minus beta 1 HF by 2. If we plug all these values, we will get moment capacity or flexural capacity equals to 573 kilonewton meter. Now we need to calculate moment capacity for case number 2. Again, we need to assume that neutral axis is within the flange. So A is equals to AS Fy divided by 0.85 into FC dash into B. AS, this time we have 3000. So if we plug all these values, we will get A equals to 92.6 millimeter. Now C is equals to A, our beta 1, which is 109, which is less than HF. Therefore, it can be concluded that neutral axis lies within the flange and T-beam behaves like a rectangular section or rectangular beam of dimension B by D. Now moment capacity for rectangular section is 5B AS Fy into D minus A by 2. If we plug these values, we will get moment capacity equals to 457.8 kilonewton meter. This concludes the example. This example is actually from Zaid Ahmed Siddiqui book from chapter number 4, and this is example 4.3. I would highly recommend kindly go through that example again and read from the book as well. Gee guys, so I would say kindly go through that example, the PDF form again, and let me know if you have any question. इसके PDF फॉर्म पे एक दफ़ा जाएं और इसको काइंडली PDF फॉर्म से एक दफ़ा देखें एंड लेट मी नो इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन. यस गाइस, इस एग्जांपल से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहे हैं? All right guys, if you do not want to ask question, then I will continue with the design example now. Actually, design example is exactly the reverse of analysis example. Here we have given actually loading and we need to calculate the cross section. Again, first thing is that you need to calculate the A value, right? You need to calculate A value, and then from A you need to calculate the area of steel. And then you need to calculate moment as well. This one. Kindly go through that PDF form for T-beam design example as well, and let me know if you have any question. It is exactly the reverse of analysis example. In analysis, you have given cross section and reinforcement, and you have tried to find out the flexure capacity. But here you have given the moment, and you need to calculate the cross section dimension, and you need to calculate the area of steel. Guys, इस एग्जाम्पल को एक दफा काइंडली देखें.